to 3797 Tomales Petaluma Road in Tomales. Tomales is a small, picturesque town in the rolling landscapes of West Marin County, California. This property offers 3 beautiful structures in a beautifully enveloped area of Tomales. The main home is known as a kit house, and this home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a large living and dining kitchen area, plus an additional family area. The first structure is a vintage farmhouse that is gutted and waiting for a Pinterest-worthy revival. The grand structure of this property is an incredible barn workshop garage that has 2 rolling doors and an agricultural barn door that leads you to 3 outbuildings, most likely used as pigeon coops. This property has a lovely fenced-in gardening area where you can plant vegetables and flowers, and it even has a greenhouse. A picket fence and mature cypress and pine trees form the front line of the property. It wraps around to the west and creates a private and serene setting. Living here, you're among generations of farmers, and you're just minutes away from some of the most iconic places in Marin County: Dillon Beach, Bolinas, and Bodega Bay. Thank you for stopping by to see this beautiful property. I'm Haven O'Halloran, your favorite realtor. Reach out to me, and I look forward to connecting with you.